What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Kondor from Fortnite Season 5. Let's get started in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the visor. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up the middle. And we'll just bend that down on the right side. And then from the ends, draw a short angled line going up and out. Let's connect the ends with another curve. We're going to start back on the left, go up in the middle, going to round this out, and go out, and then back down. Let's go out to the side, draw a straight line, coming down. And then we'll connect the bottom with another curve. We're going to come down the middle, and then back up on the right side. Let's add a thick edge along the inside of the helmet. On the left, step in, draw a straight line coming down. From the bottom corners, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the side of the helmet. And then we'll connect the ends with a large half circle. Starting back on the left, we'll curve up and then in. Round up the helmet, go out and then down on the right. Let's add those large straps along the side of the helmet. Starting on the left, start with a short line going out. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, it's going to bend this down and then in. Straight down, and just bend that in. And from the inside of the strap, draw a straight line going up towards the top. And then we'll connect the inside corner with another curve. Starting back on the left, we'll pull this down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's step up and draw another curve. Just follow that same curve coming down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're just going to curve this out and then up towards the side. From the top of the strap, I'm just going to angle down and out and pull that straight down towards the bottom. Let's step out and draw another angle line coming down and out. And then again, just pulling that straight down towards the bottom. Let's move up and draw another angle line coming down and out. Line this up on the right. And then pull that straight down toward the bottom of the strap. And then we'll draw the outside of the clip, starting back on the left, angle down and out. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start all the way over on the left side underneath the helmet, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll connect the bottom with a curve, coming down, and then up. Let's separate the body in half, starting on the left side, come down, and then up. Let's add a strap on the outside. From the top of the body, we'll step in, just follow the same curve of the body, coming down toward the center line. And then we'll add a buckle along the top. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going across, line this up, and then do that again. Let's add that pouch in the center of the body. From the inside of the strap, we'll step in, draw two straight lines going up, close off the top with a straight line. And then from the top corners, we're going to angle down and in, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to add some detail to the lower half of the body. Right in the middle, start with a straight line coming down. Then we'll add two straps on either side. Starting on the left, we'll draw two straight lines coming down. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add the buckle in behind. From the bottom corner, step up, straight line going out along the outside and the inside. And from the ends, straight down. And then we'll connect the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. and then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a short angled line coming down and out towards the left and right side. Let's round out the bottom of the pant, starting from the left, come down, and then bend that up. And then go back up to the hips and draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the bottom of the shorts. Now we're going to add a strap on the side of the legs, starting from the left side, curve down and then out, go over towards the right, and then we'll thicken these up, stepping out, just follow that same curve going out towards the side of the leg. Let's duplicate this curve along the bottom in behind the strap. We're going to step down and in behind, continue along the middle, and then up on the right. And then we'll tuck the legs in underneath the pant. On the inside corner, step out, curve out, and then down. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come down, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the outside of the foot and draw a curve. We're going to go up and just pull that down towards the heel. Let's go back up to the outside corner of the pant, step in, draw the outside of the leg. We start on the left, go out, and then down on top of the feet. And then we'll add a strap going across the top of the foot. Starting from the top, come in, and then down. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the foot. We're going to take this curve, step up, come down, and then in behind that strap. Let's go back to the inside edge of the strap, angle up and in. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the sword. From the top of the body, we'll step out, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then we'll curl around the thumb. We're going to go up, and then bend this down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's add the palm. Come down and in. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the handle. Starting from the outside of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out, and then in, step down, draw that again. I'm just going to pull this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to wrap the handle around the fingers. Starting from the very top, draw a straight line going out, come down to the bottom finger, draw another straight line going out, connect the top and bottom with a straight line, just on the outside of the fingers. Let's move up to the top of the thumb, draw a short line going up. Now it's going to trace the handle along the outside, going out, straight down. I'm just going to pull that in, just lining this up, and go up underneath the finger. Let's go to the center of the handle and draw 2 curves. One on the right, coming down and in, go to the outside, go down and out. Let's go to the left side and curve the outside of the blade. We come down, bend that in, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Now we're going to connect the top and bottom with a curve, but we're going to add a couple notches along the way. Come down, add a sideways V, draw that one more time, come down, and then pull that in. And we'll trace the outside and bottom of the blade. Stepping in, come down and out, come down and in, and draw a straight angled line coming towards the inside. Let's go back up to the wrist. We're going to curve the hand, coming in, just going to bend this back out in behind the handle. And we'll step back up, curve the arm, coming in, and then bend that up in behind the body. Let's draw the inside edge of the cuff. From the wrist, step in, just follow that same curve going around, and then we'll add a detail along the top of the arm. From the top, curve in and then down, draw a straight angle line coming up towards the body, go up and out. And then we'll trace this detail on the inside, coming in, up, and then out. Now we're going to line up the inside of the arm over on the right, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. Let's close off the end with a bracket. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb, curve the first finger, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out and up. And we'll start the third finger on the side, and bend this out, then the arm coming up and in underneath the helmet. And now we're going to add in the cuff. Starting from the top of the thumb, go out and bend that up, step up, and draw that twice. And now we're going to add that detail on the outside of the arm. From the cuff, step up, curve down and in, angle up and in, and then draw that same curve going back out. Let's trace this along the inside. Now we're going to do that one more time, but we're going to tuck this in underneath the head. Stepping up, curve down and in, draw a straight angle line going up in behind the body. Let's trace the inside, coming down and bending that out. And that's pretty much it. There's Kondor from Fortnite Season 5. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.